Hey, I bought all these stocks which people keep talking about. I'm supposed to be rich by now, but I have not seen any money. Where is my money? Mate, do you know how stocks or shares actually make money? Actually, I have no idea. You should really do some research. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. A lot of people invest in stocks or shares and then assume money will rain from the sky. While it is true, stocks and shares have a history of providing returns, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It takes time and there are ways you make money from it. So in this video, we will explore the two ways you make money from stocks or shares. Number one, dividends. What are dividends? Dividends are a return of the company's profit to its shareholders. One of the objectives of any company is to make money for its owners. Each year as the company makes profits, its board of directors can elect to distribute the profit to the owners of the company. If you are a stockholder or a shareholder on the date that dividend is distributed, you will be entitled to receive that money. That's one way to make profit. The thing to note is dividends are entirely dependent on the company's board of directors. They may decide to give it or not, and you may not be in a position to force them. So that's something to keep in mind. However, companies traditionally, once they make a trend, do like to stick with that. The second way people make money from stocks, which is very popular, is capital gains. What are capital gains? Capital gain is the appreciation in the value of a stock over a period of time. For example, if you were to purchase Woolworths, which is a large supermarket in Australia, shares in 2017, you would have made about 60% now when I'm shooting this video. One thing to remember with capital gains is that they are an appreciation of your asset. So it's not like you've received the cash. In order to receive cash, you have to sell your shares, which can have tax implications or others depending on your circumstances and the country you're investing in. So it's always best to talk to your tax accountants, your accountants, and your financial planners. Also, you might hear a term called total shareholder return. Total shareholder return refers to the capital gains plus the dividends that you receive. So stocks are not a get rich quick scheme. It's about finding good investments, being consistent, investing over a period of time, and then enjoying the fruits of all the effort you put in and the investments you've parked over there. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing. And I will link another video which might be of interest to you. Until next time.